Hi everyone, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I bring you an unboxing of this Maisto 118 scale Chrysler PT Cruiser Woody. Yes, probably the worst car I could have possibly gotten, but that makes it the best car I possibly have gotten, or could have gotten, you could say. I mean, because, and it's yellow, so that makes it even better. So you'll see that in just a second. So I got this model off of eBay for a whopping $28, and I thought that was a pretty good price, considering that these go for upwards of $70, $80 normally. But occasionally you can search the depths of eBay, and you could probably find maybe one just like this one, like I found, or any other kind of car. So let's go ahead and see if I can get this to... There's a little damage right here, so hopefully that little hole punctures. Hopefully that didn't do anything, but we'll see. Let's see. It's packaged pretty well. There we go. As you see, we already see the Maisto logo, which is a good sign. Some cutter for this, scissor. There's always stuff to do with these boxes. But I've been looking for this model for quite some time now, and haven't been able to find it. So I'm very glad that I was able to get it for the price I got it for. So, you see, it says Chrysler PT Cruiser 118 scale Maisto. So let's go ahead, and it's a lot of packaging and bubble wrap, which is very nice to see. So thank you, seller, for packaging it well. Oh, it's in like a little cover, I guess you could say. So I'm aware of there's a couple of pieces, or there's a couple little things wrong with the box of this Maisto. So we'll go ahead and get it off. So the story is that I got this model for only $12 without shipping, but $12 off of eBay, and I think around $10 or $12 shipping, which is a little high, but for the price of the whole entire purchase, it's still a great deal. So let's go ahead and, well, thank you, Win, for doing it for me. But oh geez, okay, this is a little worse than I was expecting. The whole plastic is come undone. Well, that's kind of bad. I did know about, there was a tear back here, which I did know about. That I was aware of this, but not this. That is a little rough. I can maybe reform that somehow. The plastic back here is completely undone, I guess you could say. So, I mean, for $28, it's a steal, and I'm still glad I got it, but it's a little bad damage. Yeah, so not super bad by any means. I could definitely fix this plastic. That's very common on these designed boxes from Maisto, and already it's gotten a little better just by me kind of messing with it. So it's definitely not the end of the world. I could definitely fix all the plastic, even by the wind out here, which hopefully is not interfering with the video, but I could definitely fix this up and make it look like it's brand new. So no problem with that. Just it's gonna have some creases like that, but nothing super bad. As you see, it's absolutely amazing. Car's in almost brand new condition. Still has the straps on it, which is very nice to see. On the base with the box, the plastic, and oh my gosh, this car is absolutely terrible, which I love. That's why I bought it. But on the front, you just have the Chrysler PT Cruiser PT Woody on the base. Special edition, Maisto, Chrysler PT Cruiser 118, special edition. Same thing, I already showed you that. On the back here, you do have the plastic window, which is kind of bashed in, but I can fix this. This I knew about. This is not a bad problem. Like I mentioned, I could probably fix this a little bit. But turning it over, we do have... let's see if I can get this. We have on the bottom, we just have Special Edition 118, Fontana, California. opening features on the model: working steering, working suspension, opening doors, opening trunk. No opening hood, it looks like, which is kind of weird, but nothing. That's not a bad thing. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, the Motor Max version did have an opening hood, I believe. But yeah, so the next video will be a full unboxing, I guess you could say, of this car. This is just going to be a video I just decided to make just because the couple things that I mentioned, like the box had a hole in it, and I just wanted to make sure, catch it on video, and make sure everything was working. So, as you saw earlier, it's a little worse than I thought up here, but nothing terrible, and I could probably fix it up, and you'll see in the next video. So, put in the comments down below what you think about this model, or in general the PT Cruiser, and especially this Woody livery, just absolutely amazing. So next video will just be an unboxing of this specific model. You'll see all of the features. I'll open it up and show you everything about it, and in the next video you'll see the plastic fixed and the box basically as good as I could possibly get it. So yeah, so be on the lookout for that video, and put in the comments down below what you think about this model, and would you buy it or would you not? So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't, and hit the like button. It definitely helps out the video. And check out my other content, and I normally post a video 2 or 3 times a week, or 2 or 3 times like after this video there'll be one more video of the actual review of this model in a couple days, so be on the lookout for that. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and thank you so much for watching.